I was doing consultation for a US client, and in that, a channeling message came up in which it was said that Lord Narasimha is with the client and is very happy with her. When I said this to the client, I myself thought that she's in US, she may not even know who Narasimha is, or and even if she knows temple or like how is this even showing up. That time, the lady said that recently there was this Lord Narasimha statue that was inaugurated in a temple near her home, and the entire week she was attending the Havan, Puja, and she did a lot of seva in that temple. And she was so amazed that Lord Narasimha acknowledged it. Isn't that beautiful that whatever we do, the Lord is paying attention to it, is listening to us, and is appreciating it as well.